That's not that's like a worm or something.
Mommy, count my guap. All these rags bumming in, they bumming in.
This is part 2 of making my car stupid loud. So so we got the exhaust off, got the fast intentions off. Look at this.
Let's grab
Nice white pipe.
Alright, so these are the front of the white pipe.
Yeah.
And they are okay, maybe it's 4.
I never realized how light titanium was. I guess I've never really held a titanium exhaust before. Damn, I never thought I'd get a single exit in my life, to be honest.
Oh, here you go.
I never liked them.
The day has come.
I was always like, nah. Like,
The day has come.
the day has come. I didn't know this was an actual thing, but apparently if your exhaust is too loud, you put a little silencer on it. So if my neighbors hate me, then I'm not gonna still do it.
Chad _370. Yeah, I'm on his thing too. Follow me.
What is up, you guys? This is day 2. My car is about hot as hell, so I'm gonna get off that. But so as y'all saw yesterday, I actually put on my titanium single pipe exit, the Tomei. Everyone complains about it, so my neighbors do not like it. So yeah, I got the titanium white pipe, the titanium single exit as well. The white pipe is resonated, but I have non-resonated test pipes, so I'm gonna give y'all a listen to how it sounds. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to head out to Wiregrass Mall. This is kind of like a dick thing to do, but like, I'm just gonna go through it. I'm just gonna, you know, be ignorantly loud. Say hi to the channel.
What's going on?
Alright, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know that my car's actually been down for a while because of a faulty compressor. I actually got that fixed yesterday, so my car is now up and running, and we're about to make some videos. So so I'm at the mall with the Tomei, and I'm being ignorantly loud, and I'm having people like record me and shit. But that guy right there actually pulled me over. This guy's clapping. He knows what's up. You know what's up? Yeah, he knows what's up. What's up, you guys? Alrighty, so I know it's the same video, but I'm making another intro again. So it's actually the next day. Well, between me and you, it's actually been like a week, but we're just gonna say it's the next day. Anyways, so I got my exhaust put on, my single exit, and I'm just finishing up. I'm just wrapping up the video, the exhaust video that I was actually making. The car is extremely loud. My exhaust before was a Fast Intentions TDX catback. It was the 18-inch resonated one, so it's kind of quiet, but I mean, with test pipes, it woke her up a little bit. But it has no equivalence. Is that the right? But it has nothing on the Tomei single exit titanium exhaust. All right, so let me show y'all what exactly this is. As you can see, I mean, to be honest, I already kind of showed y'all, but it's a single exit. I believe it's a 3-inch all the way back to a 4-inch can, and then maybe it's a 5-inch can with a whatever. But anyway, so I actually have the Tomei catback all the way up until the Thai titanium white pipe. Apparently the Thai titanium makes better quality titanium than Tomei does. So, but overall it sounds really amazing, and I mean, Just look at it. The exhaust is freaking beastly. So I'm gonna set y'all down real quick. I'm gonna fly by a couple times. It's kind of wet, so I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, but I'm gonna set y'all down so y'all can hear it. I'm gonna downshift a little bit so y'all can hear it. So yeah, let's do it. So as you can see, it sounds freaking amazing, and honestly, I love it so much. I always hated single exit exhaust, but like I love it. So, I mean, it's about a freaking storm, so I'm about to get my ass back in. So as you can tell, it sounds insanely beastly. I never once thought in my life I'd actually go with single exit exhaust. I honestly hated them when I first got the car, and I love my fast intentions, but ever since I got this exhaust, like, my miles per gallon is absolutely trash because I can't stop downshifting everywhere I go. Every time I go through, it's just like, just destroying people's eardrums. The car sounds amazing. I love it so much. It's a full titanium exhaust. Like, it's way lighter than my fast intentions. It's insane. So I love it. Also, guys, I wanted to mention I have been receiving a couple hundred subscribers from the past video, and I just want to address everyone new that's out here, everyone new that's subscribed to my channel. It's windy out here, boy. It's about to rain, but we still out here. I just want to address everyone that's new out here. Welcome to the channel. My name is Adam. Thank you for being here. That is my bolt-on bag 370Z. Makes 329 to the wheel, and it's automatic. So that's a little rundown for me and my channel. Other than that, that's all you really have to know. Watch all my other videos for what I've done to the car, which I might have to make another video because I have changed a lot of things to that since that video. So, but anyways, I'm absolutely in love with this exhaust, and it's how a VQ should sound. Some people say it's kind of raspy, but it's just I just think that's how they should sound. But nonetheless, thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you like it. It helps me out a lot in promoting my videos and, you know, getting out there and making my dreams come true. So also, if you like the videos, make sure you subscribe and stay updated for more. Hit that bell icon if you really like my channel. Notification Squad, I know who you are. Comment down below. I'll be hearting all those comments. So without further ado, guys, I love y'all to death. Please make sure y'all have a great day. You know, life's a blessing, you know. Be blessed that you wake up every single day. So with that being said, I love y'all. Peace out.
Can I stop coming in? Put up in a drop top, she dropped in.